This video is designed to demonstrate Gnosis' feature of transformation. The transformation feature will allow us to take this long string of iForm Builder data and pull out all the fields except for the metadata, for example. There's many other uses for transformation, but this is the one we're going to go over today. So I'm going to copy the whole JSON object, and what I'm first going to do then is add a new record set to this data flow. So we're going to call this iForm transformation. And then we're going to save this. So now we're going to have two, if we zoom out here, we're going to have two different buckets. We have iForm Builder raw data and transformation. So what we want to do is we want to take all the raw data from this bucket and pull out the metadata and stick it into this bucket. So how we need to do that is first link up our record set. So I went up here into the actions and chose a record set action. From here I'm able to just send it right to transformation and save that. So now we're going to see it's going to take data from the webhook directly into the data raw to the transformation table. So what we're going to do is copy our JSON here, and we're going to go into the iForm transformation, and we're going to choose the data refinery and add a new filter here. So first what we're going to do is paste in our example JSON. Then we're going to go into our config section, and we're going to see we have filter, and at the bottom here transform. So we're going to be doing a transform today, and how we're going to transform this object is actually by removing all of the metadata fields. So I'm just going to go through one by one and tick some of these fields that we want to pull here. So say in this one we don't want to pull all the metadata fields, and we only want to pull up to all the Q1s here. So we'll go through and tick all these boxes, as well as the signature, bridge name, and inspector. And now what we can do after we've chosen the fields we want to transform this object to, we can go right down into our preview, and we can just run the preview. And by running the preview is going to show us exactly the fields that it's pulling. So I ticked these 8 or 10 boxes, and this is all the fields that it's showing on the form. So what I can do here is I can simply go and untick some of these ones, and then I could easily run the preview again, and we're going to see our fields are going to change. So now we've actually run this preview and we're ready to submit this. So now what we can do is go back, and once we've tested the filter, we're able to run data from this bucket into this filter to make sure it's going to work. So you can go to record set, and I can manually rerun the data, and I can choose what bucket or record sets I'm going to be running it to, as well as what data I want to run. So I'm just going to rerun it, and we're going to see the data is going to be passed from here directly into our transform bucket. Now if I open this up, we're going to see only the fields that I've specified. So now we're going to have all of our raw data in this bucket, and the data transformed to what we need in this second bucket. This is how transformation works. Thanks for watching.